Today I want to share with you Thai style braised pork belly, Moo Palo. When I was a kid in Thailand, I used to eat it like all the time. It's super delicious. It's very similar to Chinese Lu Rou, but it also has its own characteristics. Now let's take a look. After thoroughly cleaning the pork belly, use a razor to trim off its hair. Then cut it into 1.5-inch cube. In a pan over low heat, add in the cinnamon stick, cloves, star anise, coriander seeds, and Sichuan peppercorns. Stir fry until aromatic for about 3 minutes. Transfer the spices into a spice bag and garlic. Also add in cilantro roots. You could either add the cilantro roots and garlic here or chop them up and stir fry them later. I just prefer it this way a little better. In a pot over high heat, transfer in the pork belly and stir fry until lightly brown for about 5 minutes. Remove the pork belly and reserve the pork oil. Over medium-low heat, add in the palm sugar. Stir fry until lightly brown for about 5 minutes. Now we're going to return the pork belly and give it a good mix. Pour in the chicken stock and turn to high heat. Season it with fish sauce, Golden Mountain seasoning sauce, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, and mix well. Now we're also going to return the spice back. Cover the lid and bring it to a boil. And we're going to turn to low heat and let it simmer for about 45 minutes. Normally the tofu pup comes in a square shape, but it wasn't available today in my local supermarket, so I got these instead. Just cut these in halves. They will work just fine. Transfer in the eggs. Remove the eggs and rinse under running water. Peel the eggs. So here's another tip for everyone. I usually peel my eggs in cold water, like literally inside the water, so it's much easier to peel. Uncover the lid of the pot. Transfer in the tofu pups and boil the eggs. Cover the lid and continue to simmer for another 30 minutes over low heat. And lastly, we can remove the spice bag. I really can tell you how happy I am right now. You know, like how certain tastes, certain dishes brings you back to certain places. Yup, so for this dish brings me back all the way to my childhood time in Thailand. It's slightly sweet from the palm sugar, it's really savory from the fish sauce. It's so delicious. So I hope that you enjoyed today's episode as well. If you like it, remember to subscribe, thumbs up, and I will see you again next Friday for another awesome recipe. So bye for now.